On 26 May, a super cyclone named Yaas made landfall south of Balasore in Odisha at a speed of 165 km per hour. It affected the border areas of West Bengal and Odisha and was weakened by a cyclone following the path of destruction on the east coast. 1 crore people had been affected. 15 lakh people had been evacuated from coastal areas and 20,000 crore property had totally destroyed. The region had severe damages because of gale winds, lot of trees uprooted, and breach of embankments. This increased the amount of salinity in the soil. In this situation, small tornadoes were formed in many places of West Bengal, which had done a lot of damages locally. We all know more or less about Yaas cyclone. Now the question in our mind is, why was Yaas cyclone so devastating? Why were small tornadoes seen in some areas of West Bengal? Why is the Bay of Bengal creating such a devastating cyclone? So the first thing we will know about cyclones. The word cyclone is derived from the Greek word cycles, which means calling of the snake. A cyclone is a huge air mass which is a word spiraling that rotates at high speed in a low pressure. Tropical cyclone usually form in the near equator over warm sea. In the heat of the sun, seawater evaporates and rises to the surface, creating a huge depression. In this low pressure area, cold air blows from the surrounding high pressure area. This cold air comes to this and heats up and creates clouds, and high velocity warm cold air creates a cyclone. Why then did the Yaas cyclone take such a devastating form? We know that low pressure is created due to high temperature in the Bay of Bengal, which is very favorable for cyclones. This year, the Bay of Bengal was 2 degrees warmer than any other year because of global warming and climate change. The situation may worse due to a full moon and lunar eclipse happening simultaneously on May 26. And the cyclone led to the overflowing and breach of embankments in the region. In this situation, suddenly tornadoes appeared in West Bengal. Sanjeev Banerjee, Deputy Director General of India Meteorological Department, said, "When a cyclone approaches, such vortex develops because of the difference in wind speed in the upper air and the ground level. How is vertical wind shear? This, however, not a full tornado. It is a mini tornado." Then we will try to find out why the Bay of Bengal creating such a devastating cyclone in every year. First, Bay of Bengal is much warmer than other seas. Second, due to lack of land between the Pacific Ocean and the Bay of Bengal, so the cyclonic winds from Pacific Ocean rush towards the Bay of Bengal. Third, due to the major rivers of this region, there is plenty of fresh water in the Bay of Bengal. Since fresh water is lighter than salt water in the bay, it forms a thinner layer on the surface. This thinner layer of fresh water heats up more easily than salt water. Due to all these reasons are responsible to help the Bay of Bengal creating so many devastating cyclones which are affecting our lives. Out of 35 devastating cyclones in the world, 26 have occurred in the Bay of Bengal. So we concluded our video here. Stay with us to learn about such interesting geographical topics. If you like our video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.